Okay, if you ask this question in JAMB, how will you tackle it? The question says, in an experiment, 5 grams of a metal gave 10.59 grams of its chloride. Okay, so solution. In the first experiment, for the first experiment, okay, the metal given was 5 grams and its chloride, okay, its chloride was 10.59, which means the amount of chlorine here is equal to 10.59 minus 5, which will give me 5.59 gram of chlorine was used here. Okay, then the second experiment, for the second experiment, I'm solving this way so that it will be easier for you, or so it will be very understandable, right? So for second experiment, then the metal, the mass of the metal was 1.5 gram. Okay, the same metal combined with amount of chlorine here is given to us directly, which is 1.68 gram, unlike the one that they gave us in its chloride form. All right, okay, so they gave us the chlorine here in its metal chloride, so you need to minus the mass of the metal from the chloride form to get the actual mass of what do we call it, chlorine. All right, so the ratio here, the ratio of metal here to that of chlorine excuse me, that of chlorine is, metal is 5 all over, chlorine is 5.59. So 5 divided by 5.59, I have 0.89 here, 0.89. The ratio of metal here, metal to that of chlorine, 1.68. I'm going to be having 1.5 divided by 1.68. I have 0.89 as well. So the ratio of this to this, dividing this, you find out that in the ratio of this to this is 1:1. All right, 1:1, which means our answer is B, which is law of definite proportion. It means that regardless the amount of metal used, okay, whether 1.5 or 5 grams, regardless of the amount of metal used, that this metal is still going to be combining, in the same proportion. Is it going to be combining with chlorine in the same proportion, okay, in the same ratio by mass? Am I communicating? So even though this guy is 5 grams and this one 1.5, is it going to combine in the same ratio by mass? Okay,